How to make Wix redirect to another page. I'm inside the Wix website editor, and for this we will need to focus on the left hand side. So here we just want to choose pages and menu, which is the third option. So once you have clicked on it, make sure you go to site menu, and from here we will choose the page that we want to redirect to another link or page. For this I will do my shop page. So we want to click on these three dots that appear next to the name, and you will see this option to change the link. So once we click on it, then it will look like this. So for the page, we can choose which page we want this to redirect to from our websites. For example, if we want it to redirect to the category page, you will choose this, and which item you will choose, for example, all products or beauty products, like I have set categories here. If you want your page to redirect to a web address, then you will type out the URL right here, and you may have seen, but I had this redirect to YouTube. And you can also choose whether you want the page to open in a new window or in your current window. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.